girl with a face like that, and a body like that, and a smile like that, with an ass so fat, beauty like that, with some brains to match. Why wouldn't I wanna tell the world about you? Welcome to my channel, and I'm Jessica, host. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button right now. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. Oops, sorry guys, showing skin. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be on the Monkey app. And I'm going to tell people to rate me from a 1 to 10 and stuff like that. So this is something different. Like, I saw people do it, and I was like, why not just try? So I had to download the app and try to learn how to use it and stuff like that. Yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna get into the video. So let me start screen recording. Whew, I'm dead scared. Like, I don't even know. Like, alright, so dolphins are unable to swim, so we're just gonna wait till Accept 20. He's from New York. Hello? Can you add time real quick? Alright, so I'm doing a YouTube video, and I wanted to ask you to rate me from 1 to 10.
Everybody on this bitch be saying that. Everybody gotta use it.
Oh shit. Can you rate me from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give you like this. I'll give you an 8. I'll give you an 8.
Thank you. Where you from?
New York.
Oh, okay. Thank you. He said an 8. Wow, okay. He said, why everybody be doing this? I'm weak. Alright, we have Jonathan, 19, from the United States. Oh, he skipped me. Wow, that's crazy. Preston, 16, United States. Alright. Oh, I thought he about to skip me too. Let me look cute. Dreed, North. Oh.
What's good?
Hello, can you add time real quick?
Yo.
Can you add time real quick? Thank you. I have a question for you. So I'm doing a YouTube video, and I want you to rate me from a 1 to 10.
Alright, got you. 8.
Thank you.
Yo.
He's trying to finish the conversation. Like, no. Anyways, I've been getting 8 so far. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. So we have hey Sean, 17, from Texas. Oh, he skipped me. Wow, that's crazy. Lip Boy Mike, 16, Oklahoma. Okay. He skipped me. Wow. Okay. Cam, 18. Hello.
Hey, man's a friend.
Alright. So I'm doing a YouTube video, and I want you to rate me from a 1 to 10.
8.
An 8?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Why is everybody giving me an 8? Like, what the hell?
Stop moving, you can't see me.
Everybody's giving me an 8, having fun with Monkey. Why everybody's... Oh, what is going on? Oh. Everybody's giving me an 8, and I feel disrespected. I feel like I'm a solid... You know what? Alright, we have Jesus. Okay, he skipped me. Okay. Alright, we have Jacob. He's 15. Oh, he skipped me too. Okay, that's nice. Rico, 17, Maryland. Can you add time real quick? Alright, so I'm doing a YouTube video, and I want you to rate me from a 1 to 10.
Alright. Hey, but turn it down a little bit. Turn it down. Okay. Alright, hello.
Yeah, hello. I'm doing a YouTube video, and I want you to rate me from a 1 to 10.
Rate you from 1 to 10?
Yeah.
Like, how do you look?
Yeah, how I look?
8.
8? Thank you.
Yeah.
Why is everybody giving me an 8? I feel like, what the hell? Alright. 8 is probably just how I look. That's crazy though. Alright, we have Dora. She's 22 from the United States.
But you sharp, that's all.
Alright, she skipped me.
Can you not stop moving?
Shh.
It's so funny.
Alright, we have Kwamaya, 18. It's connecting.
You can see me in the video.
I'm doing a YouTube. Can you add time?
Alright, bro.
Alright, so I'm doing a YouTube video and I want you to rate me from 1 to 10.
Wait, what you doing?
A YouTube video and I want you to rate me from 1 to 10.
You want me to rate you 1? Okay.
I want you to rate me from 1 to 10.
1 through 10.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say. Well, you gotta show me a little something though, for real. I gotta see what you work.
Nah, like it's just about. What you mean? I gotta show you a little something. Like you gotta be honest.
I am being honest.
Yeah, but what you mean? Show you a little something.
I'll see what you're working with, like for real.
Wait, hang up on that.
So you're not gonna rate me
My
from
nigga-
what?
Hey, my nigga said 9.5. He said 9.5.
9.5. Thank you. He don't like show me a little something. What you mean? Show you a little something? I'm weak.
Let me see what you flip on.
Let me see what I'm fucking with. Oh my god, yo. Anyways, we have Jack. He's 21 and he's from Washington. Okay. Can you add time? Oh, he skipped me. He's a little white boy anyway. No offense. Asia, she's 15 from the United States. Hello?
Yeah.
Can you add time real quick?
Huh?
Can you add time? I gotta ask you something. Alright, so I'm doing a YouTube video and I want you to rate me from a 1 to 10.
You ugly as hell. Fuck out of
Yo, he said I'm ugly as hell. Oh, nah, that's disrespectful. Anyway, Stanley, he's 22 from South Carolina, something like that. You can say you ugly as hell. He skipped me. Oof. My hands getting tired. I'm about to place it somewhere. Hello?
Oh!
Is that exposing if I put that in the video? Yo, that's crazy! What the hell? Y'all nasty little people. I already have Javon, 18 from New York. What the hell? Why would he show me that? Can you add time real quick? That's Alan?
Strawberry shortcake.
Can you add time? I gotta ask you something. Alright, so I'm doing a YouTube video and I want you to rate me from a 1 to 10.
A 10, nigga.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Say Velo on my body. Say Velo. Say Velo.
What is that?
His shirt.
Oh. Alright, he rated me a 10. And next person. I have like 2 more to go because I don't want to make this video too long due to the fact that what I've seen, he skipped me. Wow.
You ugly as hell.
He said you ugly as hell. Hello, you good? I add time. Alright, I got a question to ask you. I'm doing a YouTube video and I want you to rate me from a 1 to 10. 9.5. Thank you.
Why you editing this man?
Oh damn, he asked for my YouTube. I couldn't give it to him.
You beastin', like, at least get them your YouTube so I can see the video.
All right, so I got like 2 more to go because it's 10 minutes right now. Okay. Hello? Can you add time? I got a question to ask you. Click the time thing. Really? Really? Hello? What the hell? Alright, since everybody just acting dumb, we have Ray from 18. He's from the United States.
What's good?
Oh, what's up? Add time. Alright, so I'm doing a YouTube video, and I want you to rate me from 1 to 10.
A 10.
A 10, thank you. Alright. Thank you. Oh, I forget to tell them my YouTube channel. I keep forgetting to tell them my YouTube channel, guys. That's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna do one last one for real, like one last one. Tay 19 Hawaii. Can you add time? What? People keep okay. Paul 17 Georgia. I'm sorry, none of them is cooperating, so I gotta keep. Yo, can you add time real quick? Alright, so I have a question to ask you. I'm doing a YouTube video and I want you to rate me from 1 to 10. Honest opinion.
You're like the 5th person to tell me this. Let me see. You a good. You a 9 because nobody's perfect.
Oh, thank you. Well, I'm perfect. Motherfucker, what the fuck? Alright, last one for real, because this is really entertaining. I might have to do a part 2 to this. We have Sam, and he's 20 from the United States. I think they keep giving me United States because I'm from the... Hello?
Yo,
I have a question to ask you.
where you from?
I'm from New York. Where you from? You got bad connection, hun.
I know.
I'm doing a YouTube channel. I'm doing a YouTube video. My YouTube is Jessica Host, and I want you to rate me from 1 to 10.
Is 0 allowed?
Huh?
Is 0 allowed?
No, 0's not allowed. It's 1 to 10. So you have to rate me from 1 to 10.
So I'll be serious. You're like a good 6.
Thank you.
It's not a compliment.
Alright, my turn. You're a good 1.5.
What?
What's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Jessica Host.
Subscribe right now. Jessica what?
Jessica
Add me as a
Host.
friend. Add me as a friend.
I'm not adding y'all as a friend after y'all try to volley. Oh, I did, but
We started in. Oh, yes, he touched me too. You were an Apple app. Yes.
What? Bro. They rated me, you know what? I'm done with this video. They rated me a 1.5 and the other person tried to be funny talking about 0. But this is the end of the video. If y'all want a part 2, I'll definitely do a part 2. I'm like, he really pulled out his whole He pulled out his whole penis on camera. That's very nasty, disturbing. But anyways, I'm done with this video. If y'all want a part 2, let me know. Yeah. Bye guys.